Gusto ko sana mag-upload ko na kaso nalita ko kaya ngayon. So ngayon ginagala ko yung tech ni Kuya Sly. So gumagana naman. Pindali lang natin ito muna. Hanggang sa mag-1,000 ng buhay ko. Kaya yan. 130 na kagad ako. Grabe to. So yung pag malapit na sila, ganunin mo lang sila para tumaas yung damage mo. Ginagawa ko, nag-aagis din ako nito. Boom. Lang, sakit mo. Pag sinonarping ko yan, ubus lahat yan. Diba? Roblox naman i-upload natin. Ayun guys, abangan nyo nga pala yung horror game namin, di ba? Abangan nila yung horror game natin. Ayan. Sino yung kinakausap ko? Alam nyo na yun. Yung pogi namin kasama. Ayan. Pag-grenade, bag, sabog. Aso, labas tila. Ari. Ang galing ko nga muna yung auto-skip ko. Hindi na matanggal-tanggal. Ayan lang. Ayan guys, mukhang mamamatay kagad ako dito.
She was very happy. The judges all gave perfect scores. It was the opponent's turn. So at the opponent accidentally fell into the water. The judges indeed gave 0 points. The opposing coach broke down. Turned out I was a teacher with superpowers. Today I wanted to help my students win the sports meet. The next event was swimming. As the race began, my girls quickly fell behind. I became very anxious. The opposing coach even provoked me. So I used my superpower again. The girls' speed instantly increased.
Ano kaya titignan muna natin, so wag na pala. Bye-bye! Ito ang pinakamabilis kong video. Bye! Sana na hindi nyo kahit saglit lang.